What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for watching. Back in the kitchen for this video, wanted to share a recipe that I actually posted to Snapchat earlier in the week. A lot of you were asking me questions about measurements, about the benefits, and about what it was that I was making. It's a detox drink that I think is definitely a better option for those of you out there that might be in the market for a detox tea or in the market for anything else that you'll see as an ad on your Instagram feed or on Twitter or something like that. It's a do-it-yourself recipe, only takes 6 ingredients to make and a cup and a spoon, and then you just down it there. Definitely something that will be beneficial to your overall everyday health. I'm ready to go. Dirty water, let's get started. First ingredient, we got half of a lemon. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C. They aid digestion, they promote skin health. They are rich in pectin, which is a soluble fiber that helps with inducing weight loss. Also, if you have a sore throat, I know honey isn't vegan, but for my non-vegans out there, you mix honey with lemon in some hot water and that will ease your sore throat, no doubt. Fun fact, during the Renaissance, women used to use the juice of lemons to redden their lips. So I guess with your favorite lipstick sold out at MAC, you know, you guys could use some lemon juice. Next, we got some cayenne pepper. A couple benefits about cayenne pepper: it helps with digestion, it boosts your metabolism, it's great for detoxing your liver, supports weight loss, it relieves migraine pains, it circulates your blood, it's good for your heart. It's also an anti-inflammatory. Things that cause inflammation cause health problems and disease, so to keep your inflammation at bay and fight it as best as you can, probably one of the most important things you could do with your everyday life. Next, we got turmeric, part of the ginger family. Basically gives you the same benefits that ginger will give you, but it's not the ginger taste, so it's more of a earthier, spicy taste. It also increases the capacity of antioxidants in your body, but the most important thing is the anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is one of the strongest anti-inflammatories out there that is natural, that you're not getting over the counter. Right after that, we got cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is a byproduct of winemaking, but it's literally straight up potassium. So for someone who is getting cramps a lot, or you're someone who is dehydrated a lot, this will be a huge benefit to your lifestyle. Fun fact about cream of tartar, if you mix this with orange juice, the potassium mixed with the vitamin C from the orange juice, it's actually a helpful fighter to tobacco cravings. Next, we got some apple cider vinegar. The reason we're using apple cider vinegar here is because this is what promotes our digestive health, our gut health. It lowers your cholesterol, it reduces your blood pressure, also relieves symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn. It also induces weight loss as well. So as you see the trend with this drink, anti-inflammatory, gut health, keeping your weight at bay, blood circulation, heart health, skin health. That's what I'm trying to get out of this, which is why we're using these ingredients. And the last ingredient, coconut water. Coconuts, as we all know, have a slew of medicinal benefits. Great for hydration. Think about coconut water as the healthy alternative to Gatorade. It's loaded with electrolytes. It's gonna replace whatever you lost in your sweat, any nutrients you might have sweat out. Fun fact about coconut water, 1 cup of it has more potassium than 4 bananas. Then just gonna top that off with a little alkaline water, as much as you want to dilute it with, and then we're good to go. Now that we've made our drink, you don't have to have this much of it here. I just topped it off with water to dilute it a little bit. That's the way I like it. But it's just like a straight shot. If you want to keep it concentrated a little bit more, just don't put as much water in it. Cheers to good health, 2018. That cayenne pepper really fucking gets you, dude. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the process. Really quick, simple, easy to make detox drink. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and recipes. My name is Brett Cap. See you guys next time. All better. Literally, I feel like I just swallowed a ball of fire mixed in with a lemon tree, gym shorts that are like the lost and found that you would go when you didn't have any gym clothes. Ugh. Yeah.